Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Well, it's really boring in the house. So when I was asked to go to the nearby city, when I was asked to go to Tanhai to buy some medicines, I sneak out and some beach. I think pwede naman. So tour you around. Here in this is some, I think it's a private ano ba yan, place na kakilala namin. It's a private place. So this is park here, there, and they have this one. Yeah. Hindi kaya. Can you hold the camera? Please. I was hungry. I went out because I don't know why it's so dark. It's still 3:44 a.m. as of this. 3:44 isn't supposed to be like this. I think uulan. Sana naman hindi to bagyo. Yeah, I hope. So I better just stay inside the van. Okay, so we were inside the van and it's raining so bad. Grabe ba? May baha.
May bus dalan?
Hindi naman siguro.
Bus dalan?
Oh my gosh. It's flooded. We're flooded. Ang ulan.
Now just tape over here.
That side.
Tape.
The water was getting in, so I didn't know what was the problem until I found out it's not totally closed. So there was a problem. All the water got inside, and then I was wet. I mean, all the stuff here, most of the stuff here inside are wet. Side in there is totally wet.